Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. Today's video is a very interesting video, and I'm also coming up with a caution that don't do it at home because I am doing it. I am an influencer. I'm trying out new products, so you don't have to ruin your skin. So I just try and demo it so that you guys don't have to go through all of that. So today I am actually going to be trying a very interesting beauty skincare tool. So this is the Derma Suction Pore Cleaning Device. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got it from Amazon, and it comes with vacuum suction. It removes blackheads, dirt from pores, oils, and no more squeezing, cordless and portable, so you can carry this product along with you anywhere you want. I haven't tried it out before, so today I'm going to be trying it out with you guys, and after that I will let you know my thoughts and whether you should try it at home or not, because I have heard a mixed review about this. Some says it is good, some says that it can ruin your skin, which I also believe it can ruin your skin. So I'm gonna be putting my face to the test and will let you guys know what this product claims about. So if you guys are interested, so without any further ado, let's just get rolling. So firstly, I want to talk about this product, and it comes with 4 heads. Now the first one is a small head, which is for gentle suction, perfect for everyday use. Next one is a large head, which is strong suction, perfect for blackheads. Next one is an oval head, which is for opening or for cleansing in the corners of your face and mouth. And another one is a sonic heads, which helps to exfoliate while pulling dirt and oil from your skin. And it says that Derma Suction is the new way to clean your pores. It gently removes blackheads and dirt from the pores on your face without squeezing. The powerful yet gentle vacuum that pulls dirt, oils out of your skin, leaving your skin feeling clean and youthful. So this is mainly, it's gonna suck out all the dirt from your pores and all of that. This is what it claims, and it is priced at I'm not sure. I will leave it down below. I am not able to find where the price is written, but I guess this was not more than 400. I got it around 350 to 400 ish. So that's what the price was for this product, and I am really interested to try this out. And I really want to say that it can be scary. I don't know, I'm not sure. I have heard that people got bruises on their skin after using this product. My skin is pretty cleansed. I just came out of bath, I did my hair, and I just applied toner, nothing else on my skin, so that I can see if there is still any gunk, because I thoroughly washed my face. And also, this is how the product looks like. This is the tool it is written over here, Derma Suction, and this is the power button. This is the nozzle, which is the smaller one. The rest are over here. As you can see, the rest are over here. It comes in a very flimsy plastic case, and it has the other nozzles, and I want to try with the small one, the small nozzle. And it is used with a battery, so there is a battery set over here. If you just start it, it's not very vibrating, but I feel that yes, it is doing the suction. It is for sure doing the suction job, but I don't know, it's kind of stopping when it is sucking in. I'm not sure why is that so. It's weird. I don't feel it to be very very harsh. So I'm going to be trying out with the bigger head. This is the one for the blackheads. I want to check if this has more power to it or not. Yeah, it just captures a lot of area, but whenever I'm just making it touch my skin, this thing just automatically stops. It doesn't vibrate anymore. So, and the power is not that much. I feel it is not that powerful. I mean, especially for my device, whenever I'm touching my skin or like over here, it automatically stops. The device stops automatically with low set. Like the medium set, you can make it high, and then medium, and and then stop. I'm really excited to see how it works on my skin and whether any gunks come out. So first I'll try with the smaller one. There is this oval one and there is this exfoliating one also. So let me try out with the oval one. The head is kind of like this, flat. So the machine is on. I'm really nervous to put it on my face. Like, this is my first time. And okay, let's just start. Okay, my nose looks pretty clean, but let's see. Okay. Okay. Nothing came out. Like, does this product even work? I'm very confused now. Nothing came out. Nothing. Is it even working? Let me change the nozzle. This oval shaped nozzle didn't seem to work that much, so I'm using the smaller one to see if this works. Yeah, this has more grip to it, I would. I really don't see anything. It is working as a vacuum, but just don't hold it in one place. I can see oils coming out. I'll show you guys, but as far as I can see, only oils coming out. There is no blackheads as such because I am very thorough with my skincare. I use glycolic lactic acids to exfoliate my skin and cleanse everything. So I don't know. All I can see is quite a lot of oil. This is interesting, but this can damage your skin for sure. I can see my skin is really getting red, and I don't see. Okay, now I see quite a lot of junk. Okay, you don't have to put much pressure on this product. You just have to lightly drag it onto your skin, just lightly. You don't have to put too much pressure, just lightly dab and drag. That's what I understand. If you put too much pressure, then it is not gonna work that good. And that's what I understood. Just lightly drag it and okay. From this one, it is pretty dirty. So now I'm going to be trying this nozzle. This is one with exfoliating one. I'm not sure what this does, so I'm just going to try one. This has some exfoliating thing, but I'm not sure how it's going to be because I don't feel it to be very strong. It doesn't do anything. It's kind of hurting my skin. This is very kind of rough, so it's just hurting my skin. I don't see any dirt coming out. The smaller one, the smaller head one, really took out all the oils and few gunks from my face because, as I said, my face was pretty cleansed. So mainly the two nozzles that I felt worked really fine was this smaller one and the oval one. The bigger and this exfoliating nozzle, I didn't feel like it worked as such anything, and the machine works pretty good. Now coming to what I feel regarding my face is very red right now. My skin is very red, but it does feel soft. But I can say that if you use it too aggressively, it can rupture your skin tissues. I'm not even kidding, it can. So, and if you eat, they are saying to use it every day, but this is not for an everyday use, guys. This is not for an everyday use. This can be used once a month, but I would still say go to the professionals. Like in salon, they are aware how much pressure to give on your skin. Product is very intriguing to be used at home by yourself, but I will suggest that no, not to use it at home like this. And if you are somebody who is really not sure how to use it, don't. Currently I can see the redness is coming down. I need to apply ice on my skin just so that my tissues are not ruptured. I'm really worried about that. So yeah, that's it about this video. So yes, shall I recommend you guys to purchase? No, I will not recommend you guys to purchase, but if you want to get your pore cleanse, go to a salon, get a professional to cleanse your pores, because if too much pressure given to your skin and your facial skin, then I would think it can rupture your skin tissues and your strength barrier of your skin. So obviously I would prefer that go to an expert. Don't go for something that is really cheaper. Like when you are going to professionals, they are charging you suppose 800 or 1000 to cleanse your pores or anything like that, but when you're doing at home, it's really half the price, around 350. It may seem like it's a very cheap deal. It can be like, oh my god, wow, I can cleanse my pores but I would say no, it is gonna cause you a bit more harm than good in future. So yes, I don't recommend it. I would suggest that please go to a professionals to cleanse your pores. And yes, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you like it. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and mention in the comments below that what kind of beauty tool you want to see me reviewing next. Till then, take care and